Hey, what's up, guys? So there seems to be confusion about an announcement that Gazzew recently made about his long pole stems and a ticking issue that they're having with Boba housings. So I'm gonna do my best to clear it up and explain to everybody what is going on. So with your longer pole stems, what's happening is in this hole right here where the stem sits, there's actually a little bump of plastic from the mold. So whenever the stem is pressed down and then moved around from side to side while it's pressed down, it's making a ticking sound. Turn my noise gate off real quick to see if I can get that ticking sound for you. So that click that you're hearing is the result of me holding it down and then moving the stem around. So this is not an issue that is going to happen in normal use. Unless you're someone that, as you're typing, you hold down the key and then move it around, this ticking issue is not going to affect your typing experience at all. This is one of the newer housings that were just recently manufactured and were shipped to me in my recent order from Gazzew. So there's not a ticking sound anymore. There was the initial me pressing it down sound, and there's no ticking as I slide the stem around in the bottom of the base. So this is a non-issue for stems that don't have the longer poles. If you have U4s, if you have Boba gums, if you have the other silent tactile switches that are used for making the ergo silence, it's not going to be an issue. There's only going to be a problem if you have U4Ts and linear thox. In my personal opinion, it's not a problem. It's not going to affect your typing experience. It's not going to happen under normal use case. This is something that specifically you have to do something that is not normal use to get this ticking sound. So I don't think it's something that anybody should really be concerned with. I think he just made the announcement as a public service so that if someone did notice it, they didn't say, hang on, why didn't he tell me about this? Gazzew did the responsible thing. Once he found out about this, he announced it, he made changes to the molding, and now it's not an issue anymore. Current U4T LT users, you really have nothing to worry about. I'm basically doing this video just to clarify because I've seen quite a few people that are posting on Discords asking, hey, is this the ticking sound? Where it's not. Normally what I'm seeing, where the people are asking, is this what's happening? It's something that they've done to their switch to mess it up. I've noticed some people are getting a weird clicking sound when they're pressing the switch down, and I think it's a bent leaf or something that they did when they lubed it or disassembled the switch improperly. Hopefully this clarifies things for you guys if you've been wondering what these issues are. Feel free to hit me up anytime. Hit something up in the comments down there. I'll be more than happy to try and reply to everything and everyone. Thanks for hanging out. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks.